The biodiesel plant at Mangalore Refineries and Petrochemicals Limited (MRPL) would be ready within the next 6 to 8 months, said MRPL Managing Director R. Rajamani. Speaking to media persons soon after the 20th Annual General Body Meeting of the MRPL on Saturday, he said that the experiments of producing biodiesel, an additive for the diesel, using coconut oil, vegetable oil and fish oil has been successful, and plans are on the anvil to use rubber seed oil. The pilot project, expected to complete in the next 6 to 8 months, will produce around 300 to 500 liters a day in single shift, he said, and added that the capacity may be doubled if it is done in double shift.
To 845 crores, that is the net profit in this quarter, an increase of 129%. The majority portion of this increase is due to inventory gain, that's the appreciation of the value of the crude and products what we have. Gross refining margins in the year 2006-07, it is around 4.8, which has increased $6.9 per barrel in the last year 2007-08, which is on par with the Singapore refining margin. For this quarter, it has steeply increased from around 8.27 the previous quarter to $18.03 per barrel in this quarter. As you all know, dividends, we have declared dividend of 12% for last year's performance. It has been approved by the AGM.
Stating that the retail outlet in Mangalore and Hubli would be commissioned by the end of this year, MRPL Chairman R. Sharma said that the company has introduced premium grades at these retail outlets to contain the under-recoveries. Due to steep hike in the crude oil prices without corresponding price hike in retail selling prices, the Government of India's refusal to extend oil bonds and crude oil discount in line with the other PSU OMCs, the company had to virtually discontinue the direct marketing of diesel to reduce the under-recoveries.
And one of the main agenda was to review the progress of the phase 3 expansion. I would only say this section 80 IB9, the tax benefit, is available to the PSU refineries which come up before March 2012. We have taken stock of the situation. Our this refinery commissioning shall be coming well before that date. In fact, we are expecting somewhere towards the end of 2011. We shall phase 3. And delays predominantly happened on this environment clearance. Even some issues on this land acquisition, because the land requirements went up. Their families, that project affected families, their rehabilitation and their compensation package.
Though the company was targeting to set up at least 15 retail outlets in 2008-2009, the implementation plans had to be halted due to mounting losses to all operators in the business, as also specific directives to that effect from the Administrative Ministry, except for 2 outlets in Mangalore and Hubli, where the construction work is nearly complete, he said.
Tickle your taste buds with sumptuous dishes. Madhuvan's Village promises food relishers a delightful journey in taste. Experience an enchanting village ambience with cozy huts, smoke-free zone and tranquil surroundings. Village Family Restaurant is now even more inviting with added features like 4-lane concreted road right at the doorstep, ample space for car parking, more picturesque open space ideal for corporate and family parties, exceptional dining choices of Indian, Chinese, continental and ethnic delicacies. Visit Village Family Restaurant to experience a delicious blend of idyllic surroundings and mouth-watering cuisines. Madhuvan's Village, the family restaurant, Yadi, Mangalore 8, 42214-158. Come once, you're sure to remain a regular.
Chairman of the Administrative Reforms Commission, M. Veerappa Moily, on Sunday sought the support of environmentalists for generation of nuclear energy in the country. Speaking after inaugurating the Convention of Congress Workers here, he said that the country would have to depend on nuclear energy in the future. India will emerge as the hub of nuclear energy in the world, he said. Mr. Moyle claimed that 85% of the energy requirements in France were met by nuclear energy. France initiated the nuclear energy programs in 1970s. China was aiming at strengthening its nuclear energy programs too, he added.
ಉದ್ಯೋಗವನ್ನು ನಿರ್ಮಾಣ ಮಾಡತಕ್ಕಂಥ ವಿದ್ಯುತ್ ಶಕ್ತಿಯಿಂದ ಅದನ್ನು ಒದಗಿಸಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಕೊನೆಗೆ ಅಣು ವಿದ್ಯುತ್ತೇ ಒಂದೇ ಆಧಾರ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಣು ವಿದ್ಯುತ್ತು ಒಂದು ಸಾಧಾರಣ ಫ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ 1970ರ ಸಮಯದಲ್ಲಿ ದೊಡ್ಡ ವಾಯು ಕ್ರೈಸಿಸ್ ಬಂದಾಗ ಇದೇ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ 145-150 ಈ ವಾಯು ಕ್ರೈಸಿಸ್ ಆದಾಗ ಆಗ 70ರ ದಶಕದಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಯು ಕ್ರೈಸಿಸ್ ಬಂದಾಗ ಫ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ಬಹಳ ಉದ್ದೇಶಯುತವಾಗಿ ಅವರು ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡಿ ಈ ಅಣು ವಿದ್ಯುತ್ತಿಗೆ ಮೊರೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒದಗಿಸತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಒಟ್ಟು ವಿದ್ಯುತ್ತಿನಲ್ಲಿ 85% ಅಣು ವಿದ್ಯುತ್ತಿನಿಂದಲೇ ಅವರಿಗೆ ವಿದ್ಯುತ್ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ. 85%. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಅವರು ಸೂಪರ್ ಪವರ್